Ooh, so I got me a package. Fragile. And look what it is. They sent me a replacement piece for that smudge. And you know what would have been nice? If they had just sent me the replacement piece for this from the very beginning. So instead of sending me this missing piece right here, I had to ship back the entire upgrade set, wait for it to arrive, then wait for it to be shipped, only to get a set with more issues than the previous one. And after going back and forth, they asked me, what if we just send this piece? What if you sent me the original missing piece and all of this could have been avoided? I wonder how much money was spent shipping all of this back and forth. Oh well, at least I get 3 blades. Anyway, I guess it's finally resolved. Next step, to paint this guy. Thanks for watching.